and take another screenshot. And here this design use the text box, and here category for the list view horizontally, and here restaurant listing for the list view, otherwise the column use vertically. And here use the tab bar controller for this multiple pages create here, like future item, burger, pizza, like this set for. And here top bar is set in the silver app bar create and multiple inside. And we need to create here list view for this portion. Let's start the coding. We need to take first have related all colors here set in common color extension class inside here, right? And we need to pick some color here. This is for the primary color, and get text color here, and get subtitle color, and top bar color, and take rating color, rate, and one more color for here open color. We need to status color get status active color. Here common folder inside, and common widget folder, and view folder inside home, and restaurant folder, and home inside home view controller. Here home view create the stateful widget, and this home view widget bind in material app inside here. Home view widget is bind. Now start the coding, and we don't need to open screenshot first. Now we will create this portion first. Let's start the coding. Scaffold the body inside, write the single child scroll view, and here add the column, need to column, and here we need to give the cross alignment for start with cross axis alignment, set started, and here write down the F bar. Here write F bar, and we need to here small size first, and we need to set this icon, set for leading icon button, and add set icon here icons dot short Here not get the same exact icon, we have used material icon and size box 25 and color T color is equal to set text color. We need to set here and we need to remove background color dot white and evacuation set 0. Now set and here one issue and set background color scaffold color dot white. Okay, now display good. Now create this shopping cart icon button action. We need to copy this button first and set here shopping bag outlet and set. We need to pass one more packets. Okay, we need to create now this badge. This badge for create first tag. Here set here space and we need to create one container and give the stack alignment top right and here we need to give one more container class. Give the width 18, height 18, we need to give box decoration give the color set primary and border radius set border radius 9 and set alignment center. Set child text 3 and give the styles text style set into color dot white colors white and give the font size 11 and here font weight with the font weight 500. Okay, now give the here some margin only. Give the top set 15 and right set 8. Okay, now display good. We need to increase some size 13 here. Now display good now, and now set this text here. We need to set here after F bar. We need to copy first here this thing and set constant here, and we need to create some container for the padding. You can use the padding widget, but we have sometime use the colors, and that's why I'm used the container padding. Give the semantic and give horizontal is equal to 20 and set child copy and paste here. We need to copy this text and paste. Give the set here T color text and set 25 and give the more bold 700. Okay, let's see the save and check here. Set 22. And now set this this text. We need to copy this. We need to copy about text and give semicolon and create a size width set here. Size box set here 8 and semicolon. We do give the and give some spaces. This space I will give this space between space. And here give the this text set 15 and decrease size and set subtitle text. Let's see here display good. We need to change 16 is good. Now set this location icon. We need to convert in first row refactor. Create refactor for row and here give the width give the space some and decrease 16 and we need to copy icon and paste here location icon. For location icon we need to write here location 1 outline date and give the font size and set subtitle color. Okay, now set this we need to remove some space here. Okay, now here set and we need to give some space in top here. Okay, now good display here now. And now create this search bar. Now copy here and give the some space between title and text box. And now create the container. Give the margin symmetric margin. Give the horizontally 20 and create child. And we need to first decoration box decoration set. We need to color size white and border radius set 10 circular 10 and we need to give box shadow const value. Give the box shadow set color black 12 set and here blur radius set 2 and create the drop shadow for give the offset 0 and set 1. We need to set here and we need to create here child text field and we need to create here decoration input box input decoration set here. You need to remove border and some configuration set here. We need to remove focus input here border none and set enable border input border none set here and error border set input border none. We need to set prefix icon for search icon. This icon search and we need to give the it text and text is equal to need to copy here search text and paste here. Okay, now give to some content padding here. constant insert age is all set 15. We need to remove constant and set here constant. Okay, now display good. We need to increase height here and bottom height increase. And now create this category list, horizontally category list. We need to first here add list of array. I have predefined to write this array category array. We need to copy here and one more list set here, restaurant list, restaurant array set here. We need to copy and related this icon here. We have already set here set all icon and configure here, configure the set img folder here, configure. Okay, let's start again and we here write need for the first fix height give, and we need to declare here size box. If you not give the size box, get the error list view. Give 160 and child here set list view builder and set context and index second parameter. We need to set here we have create C object means category object get we need to pass here first padding for this padding. I am about to talk about this padding. Give the symmetric horizontally give 20 minus give the 8 padding 12 and we need to here give item count category array and length. We need to category array get the index object as a map and now return and create one common controller here, common widget, write down category cell dot. We need to create stateless widget category cell and we need to import material lib and here some variable pass map and C object and we need to get simple is bool is select like here select for selection here give the boolean and give the one click event here. For this click event void callback and write variable name on press enter. We need to all variables are required. This dot C object and required this dot is selection and required this dot on press. We need to convert here guest detector gesture detector, and on tab we need to pass on press, and here child in past container. Okay, this so here's mistake. We need to here bind this. We need to import this widget here, and here bind the all property categories, and is selection. We need to declare here selection flag, and select cat. We need to pass by default select 0, and here set the condition. Check validation is index, and here create on press event, and set state. Select cat is equal to set index. We need to here now create the inside set widget. Go to here, and here pass the home view this list. We need to create here margin first for this horizontal margin, and vertical margin for this shadow. Horizontal margin give the 8, and we need to give padding here. Need to copy boolean and give this padding. Set 8 other set 8. Otherwise you give the all and remove all parameter name. This one is good. And now box decoration, box decoration, and pass the color. We need to, if is selected, and to give the primary color, T primary color. Otherwise give the white color. And we need to give width 130, and we need to pass here radius, circular border radius 25, and box shadow give here color is equal to black 12, and border radius blur radius set 3, and give the offset down shadow we need to 0, and set 2, and here set 2, here 3, and here set 2. And we need to change here direction. We need to change direction, scroll direction, axis horizontally. Okay, now see here good display. Here we need to increase more corner radius, set 30. Okay, now display good. We need to create this image and this title inside. Now it is scrolling working good. Now set the inside value and create child and columns. We need to set column here and give the main axis alignment center, and we need to create here container for this white with give the 70 height, give the 70 and give the padding. Instead give padding 50 and set we need to create clip here, this image clip rect set and border radius give the 40, yeah, 35. We now set 35 and set here child, and we need to configure and give the colors white. Okay, now set his circle is done. Now inside create the one image. In the image set we need to get here two image object to get dynamically set here. This we need to set here this icon and to string, and fit size is equal to box fit width. Okay, we need to increase this 80 and with some padding it's 10. We need to here set 40 and no here reset all thing. We need to decrease only here this value. Okay, now display good. We need to set this restaurant text and between the space we set first space, create size box, height is equal to give 8, and now create this restaurant text. For text we need to copy here to text and set font color is equal to white, and if selected is selected then white, otherwise this black color, theme black color, T color text, and here set bold and set here dynamic text, see here first name and to string. Okay, now set here set this whole thing is completed. We need now create this title and this vertical list. Okay, now go here, move the home screen, and we need to copy these two line and paste here below and set here 15 and set this text popular restaurant. Okay, now set this where we need to more size 20. Now display good, and we now to create this row dynamically. Set copy this and here paste and some decrease the size height, set 15, and create here one container, copy and paste, give the padding 20. We need to here pass column child is equal to past here restaurant array and create map our object, and here we need to return controller and convert to map list, and after we need to here pass create common controller for here common widget, new restaurant row dart. We need to create a state list widget restaurant row, and here import the material library and create one restaurant object value, the JSON value here pass r object, and here create one void callback event for on press event. We need to require both variable are required, and press we need to give a guest on the tab and press and set child here. We need to give margin symmetric and vertically give 8, and here no need to give padding. We need to give child for create row, and we need to here container create for this rounded color box. We need to give the width 70 and height give to 70. We need to give decoration box decoration. Here need to set color without color, set colors T colors status bar color here equal, both color same. We need to give the corner radius border radius. We need to circular give 20, and here pass the child or image set, and here our object give the name parameter name, here pass img to string, and here give to box fit is equal to box fit width and set some spacing between the image and text between. I'm talk about this space. Set here stand size box with view is equal to 8, and create expandable and columns, and give the cross axis alignment, set start. Okay, let's configure this restore and see for this image how to see. We need to pass here and we need to import this widget here, and we need to pass restaurant object and on press event to semicolon. We need to now done. We need to run and check here. We need to give space here padding. Okay, now display good here. We need to increase height 18. Okay, now display good here. And now create this thing here. We need to create first title and types and rate and review, and after create the rating bar. We need to import for rating bar for one library. First we need to complete this 3 row. We need to copy this text and paste, and here set the dynamic value or set name to string and set 16. And okay, now display is good, and now create some spaces between subtitle. And space, and we need to copy again this text and paste here and write down the types. We need to type this value here, pass, and here set decrease font size and font width, and give here subtitle text font color. Okay, now display good here. We need to increase font size 14. Okay, and now create the third row. We need to copy and create a row child, and we need to paste here and give some spaces between width, variable width, and here create the, we need to here get rating variable, here get rate well, see our object get rating as a double. We need to here pass and to string, and we need to give this ratus. We need to review and we need to copy this thing and change review. We need to decrease size at 11, at 13 to 13. We need to set this rating bar. We need to first find a library. Here set a rating. need to install this library for rating. Copy here, paste here, and write down here. Import this library, and we need to copy coding, sample coding for this. Okay, and go now here, restaurant row we need to set here, and input this lib first and set here rate well. Here set alignment 1, and we need to set color T color red, and we need to not change the, we need to give size, item size set 15, and here ignore the pointer. Let the C, what is the C, and check here. Okay, now see the good, we need to set here constant. Okay, now this page is now controlled. We need to create second page. This second page we need to create here restaurant detail page, new file, restaurant detail view. We need to create stateful widget, restaurant detail view. We need to import here material lib and set here scaffold, and we need to create here nested scroll view, and we need to here return Silvasa we need to pinching true, floating true, and expandable height 120, and here give the copy home screen, and here need to copy this leading and action event because these are the same. You need to copy this thing, both are set here. Need to import this extension, and we need to fast body. and here we need to give the navigator pop. For the back screen, here change the icon arrow back iOS. We need to here past selected restaurant object we need to pass here, and here pass the this we need to pass here create navigation for navigator, push material routes, and set context. We need to pass our object. We need to import this widget and give the semicolon. Okay, now click here. We need to here first on here support here set the background color T color, status bar color, and we need to here not safe area here scaffold and body. Okay, now done, and we need to here this is the set here to back and go here, and we need to create this thing first. Here and add semicolon flexible spacing. Here use the flexible space bar. Set here flexible space bar and write down background, and need to create here container. Need to child, and here pass main axis alignment, set the main axis alignment, and we need to here create container, give the padding, we need to create here we need to here copy this restaurant row first. To paste and set here value widget to past here value, need to here add restaurant, and here pass the widget. need to import this library. No need this and here set widget. We need to change color here, set white color. Here white color and increase the font size 18. Okay, we need to increase size here 15 and we need to copy this row and paste here content and padding edges with symmetric horizontally 20. We need to first child and paste here. We need to okay, now create and we need to set here 1 only to set here real value 1 and see it count 1. We need to set constraint size. Okay, we need to set this save button review. We need to copy this both text and increase size. Here need to set 15 and size change 17. We need to set text and primary color, text style, decorations and text decoration underline and set text here. I need to copy and paste here. We need to set 7 and set 15. Okay, now this layout we need to give some spacing for here, height spacing. Okay, we need to create this row. Now we need to copy this thing first of all. We don't need this. Create row and set the icon timer, size set 25 and set color T color primary and okay, now create here box. We need to decrease size 20 and copy this value here and paste. Give the size width 4 and set constraint. And we need to give decoration, box decoration, box declaration We need two blocks. Dictionary should set color white and radius set pi. We remove the padding 8 and vertically set 4. We need to 6. We need to copy and paste again. Here write down the time. Here remove this value. We need to set bold and increase font size 15. Okay, now display good. And no, okay, we need to copy this thing and here paste. We need to set here create return detail delivery. Delivery set here and here set change icon. Shopping bag. We need to give space here, set it. Now create this thing. We need to copy here and convert here to refactor row and pass here. Give the some space here. Need to copy this value and here paste. Give the 15, set here 15 and we need to set remove this thing, no need. We need to set text color is equal to title color, status active color and set text color here, open. Give the font color is equal to white. Set to bold. We need to give some spacing here 6. Okay, now set this thing. We need to set this tab bar view. We need to convert this silver bar into tab bar. We need to here this thing. We need to create scaffold body inside, create default tab view controller, default tab view controller and here pass the length and we need to paste here this tab list here set. You need to list page array and list and item array. We need to copy text. I have already write down. We need to convert here in value. We give the page length is equal to length, and here give the child. We need to cut this value and scroll down, set the bottom. Now here set in body tab bar view. Inside create child container. We need to create 4 container because here give the size of the array for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Otherwise give the app it will be crash. We need to create static 4 and now create this tab bar in silver app bar. Inside create the background bottom and precise size widget. Create here size of height. We need to here give space here. Here need to give space. We need to give here flexible size box, height and plus 20. Decoration set here color white and give the box shadow. We need to give this shadow, this bottom shadow. do here, check the bracket. We need to remove Control Z because we are confused some code. Here set const value and here pass the box shadow. Color is equal to black 12. Blur radius set 2 and offset set 0.1. We need to create here child tab bar and tabs to page array map t object return tab child text is equal to here set name. Okay, we need to here step we need to set some unselected text label color t color select is equal to text and label color set active color primary and we need to indicator color set here t color primary and set indicator type indicator size set here tab set label we need to set scrollable and give the padding set symmetric set constant here set the tab bar here expandable tab bar we need to increase the size and give the style for tab bar and label style font size increase 16 and width set Okay, here set constant, and here select the unselected label style, copy. We need to set 15 here, set fire. Okay, now create this list here. We need to create here scaffold, body, and list view, bind, and here context, index, return here, we need to give padding, horizontally give here 20. Okay, we need to create item row here, common class, common widget, item row cell, row dart. We need to create first stateless widget, item row, and pass here map and object. This are the variable is required, and we need to input here library material, and we need to create here child. So need to copy restaurant row. No read the rating, remove this thing, I no need, and we need to change here import color extension class here, change, we need to pass here on parenthesis. We need to change here image, we need to open here restaurant detail, we need to pass here details, and we need to see look here, set maximum line 2, and here maximum line 1. We need to create image here 40, we need to change here cover, and set the clip rect, border radius, set border radius 15, and set child, no need to container, we need to cut this thing and paste here, we need to remove container, and now copy, remove container again, here no need container more, need to copy item row and pass here, need to import here, and here defined and object is equal to item count, item array length. Okay, we need to item array to index to get this map object. We need to pass here semicolon. We need to give some top padding here with the tail. Okay, now display good. We need to increase here 8 and here set 10. Okay, now set this price value here. We need to copy space and set here 4 and copy this text and set the price. And here primary color we need to set 18 and bold. Now design is now done. You set dynamically. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe this channel, and if you any query, so please write down the inside the comment. I will give you the 100% help with your problem and solve your problem. Bye.